Hey, Becca here with Violin by Becca, and in this video we'll be talking all about how to use a practice mute on your violin. Now, practice mutes are really helpful because it does just that. It mutes your sound. So whereas normally when you play, your sound is really loud and someone can hear you from the other side of the house or the apartment, with the practice mute, it'll dampen your sound so much that they won't be able to hear you. I have a lot of students that use these if they try to practice at night and they have other roommates or housemates that go to bed way earlier than they do so they can still practice. Or if you just don't quite love the sound that you're making yet and you want to dampen it so that nobody hears you until you're better, I totally get you. So I'll show you today how to use your practice mute on your violin. Now let me show you how to put on the practice mute. So here's my violin, and this practice mute is a rubber one. They also have metal ones or little round ones. The round ones are used for performance, and these ones are used mainly for practice if you really want to dampen your sound. The round ones won't dampen your sound as much. So we want to make our practice mute that has one side that's a little bit higher and one side that's a little bit lower match up with our bridge that has one side that's higher and one side that's lower. So we're going to take and slide that little mute onto our bridge and push so that it's all the way down. Just like that. So now when I go to play, it's so much quieter. To take it off, we just slide it right off. Here's that same song without the practice mute. So much more vibrant and loud. So again, with the practice mute, we just slide it right on. Take like 2 seconds, push it all the way down. Without the practice mute, remember we just take it and slide it off. And that's how to put on a practice mute. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions about practice mutes. I've linked to this exact practice mute in my Ultimate Beginner Checklist that you can find in the description below. You'll also find in it tons of other awesome accessories and violins that I recommend for all my beginning students, so be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. I'll see you in the next video.